In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Slack from your Pipedrive CRM in just a few simple steps. This can be a great way to declutter your workspace or streamline your processes. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Pipedrive website. Pipedrive is a leading sales CRM and pipeline management software, providing a suite of tools designed to help manage customer relationships and maximize sales. Open up your preferred browser and type in the address for the Pipedrive website. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials to access your Pipedrive account. If you don't remember your login details, there are typically options for retrieving or resetting them available, so be sure to follow those instructions if necessary. Now that you're logged in, you should be on your Pipedrive homepage. This is the central hub where you can access various features of your CRM system. Look towards the upper right corner of the page, and you'll find an icon or link related to your profile. Go ahead and click on it. This will present you with various settings and options. Next, head to the Tools and Apps section in your profile settings. This area allows you to manage the different applications and tools that integrate with your Pipedrive account. Here, you'll find a list of apps currently connected to your account, which should make it clear which integrations are in use. Now, look for Slack in the list of connected apps. Slack is a communication tool often integrated with CRM systems like Pipedrive to enable seamless conversation and information sharing among team members. Once you've located Slack, click on it to proceed to the detailed view of its integration. Upon clicking on Slack, you will see an option to remove. This option is typically used to disconnect or uninstall an integration from your account. Click on the Remove button, and Pipedrive will likely ask you to confirm this action. Make sure to confirm the removal, and just like that, Slack will be disconnected from your Pipedrive account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Slack from your Pipedrive CRM, simplifying your setup and ensuring only the tools you find truly useful are integrated. This process is not only beneficial for maintaining a tidy interface, but also for focusing on the integrations that enhance productivity without unnecessary distractions. If you ever need to re-add Slack or any other applications, you can do so through the same Tools and Apps section, making your CRM as dynamic and tailored to your needs as possible. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.